Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. What a volatile expiry we had today, especially after the opening bell. We saw that there was a decent amount of buying in Nifty and Bank Nifty futures both, and especially around, I guess, around 11:15, 11:30, and even after that, you can see that Nifty futures made a high of 17,238, and it was as if that this particular resistance band, which starts at 17,250, could be surpassed maybe today itself or maybe in tomorrow's trading session on Friday. But what happened after that, somewhere around I think 115, and post that, it was completely, I think, not thought by any of the traders in the market. Even Bank Nifty took a really bad beating by the bears, and in fact, I would suggest that Bank Nifty has underperformed more than Nifty, and you can see this 1 hour was really bad for Bank Nifty. You can see that from 40,091, Bank Nifty literally collapsed till 39,635 in just one single hour. Now, in terms of trend, Nifty futures are still is in downtrend in the daily and the hourly time frame chart. One interesting thing which I can see is, I'll try to highlight it for you, that when this Nifty future was going higher, the volume was coming down, except this particular candle, I guess, which is of today's morning opening. Apart from that, you can see continuously fall in the volume and rise in the price. So this was a negative divergence between the price and the volume, and it clearly suggests that there is nothing much participation in the Nifty futures. Now, when market was moving up, if you remember in my previous video which I shared on Sunday in the weekly sectoral analysis, I guess somewhere over here I clearly told that the risk reward for swing traders is not very high and a pullback is needed. So you can see a decent pullback has come up from around 17,000 or 16,680 levels to close to, you can say, 17,250 levels, somewhere around there. Now the resistance band is between 17,250 to 17,400. Till the time market is below 17,250, the chances are higher that market will continuously keep going down. And in fact, if it sustains below 17,000 levels in futures in intraday, at least for an hour or more, then chances of this particular level of close to 16,860 or 16,850 will be tested pretty soon. If it remains above this, say probably tomorrow again we again shoot up and we try to close about 17,250 or 400, do not consider this as a rally which is going on, because we will need to close above 17,400 minimum in Nifty futures to go even higher and possibly think of filling this gap. Otherwise, it's not going to be very, very easy, because what is happening on the upper hand, we are having a resistance band of 17,250 to 17,400. And at the lower level, somewhere around 17,100, we have a weekly support, which I had shared in the weekly sectoral analysis. But now what has happened is, this particular candle, which you can see, this one and this one, the first candle is a spinning top. So it clearly shows that the market doesn't know where it wants to go. And today's candle is a shooting star. And I can understand today was an expiry. So generally on expiry days, I do not generally give a lot of importance at times to patterns, but this pattern coming up at a resistance is a big thing. So chances of markets going lower, if it trades below 17,000 levels in hourly time frame chart, at least more than an hour, then lower levels will be tested. All right. Let's have a look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you can check, in terms of trend, the trend is down in the daily time frame chart. In the hourly time frame chart, you can see that the price is almost trying to close below both of the dual moving averages, which we'll see probably tomorrow or something if market starts going down. In terms of volume, again, you will be able to see that when Bank Nifty was trying to go up, the volume was falling. Slowly and steadily, the volume was falling. There was a slight hike in the volume over here, possibly in today's morning session. But I think somewhere in this candle, you can see a big spike in the volume when Bank Nifty crashed down today. In terms of candle, again, we have a shooting star candle coming up at the resistance, and you can see today we were trading above the resistance, and it literally seemed that if we continue to trade higher, we could surpass the resistance on closing basis and probably go higher. But what happened today was very, very surprising. So again, I think overall it's looking weak, especially the private banking stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank. All these stocks are looking pretty weak. I'll try to even analyze even slightly in depth in the upcoming weekly sectoral analysis, which I'll be sharing with you on Saturday or Sunday. But as of now, it seems that till the time we do not surpass this level, today's high, we do not surpass this particular level, chances are that Bank Nifty will be continue to drift lower. All right, it will continue to drift lower. It can even test 39,300, possibly even 38,930. All these levels will be tested slowly and steadily. But you need to understand, keep an open mind. Markets are extremely volatile. Trade very, very carefully, and initiate less trades, and initiate trades only where you can see high probable chances to make money in the market, and keep your position sizing also low, because generally when markets are trading between a stronger resistance and a stronger support, generally making money is not very, very easy, because the range is small, the profitability is small, and if the profitability is small and if your risk is same, so your risk reward is getting reduced. Understand this thing. All right. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how markets can move probably tomorrow and in the coming days. All right. Trade well.